If you're watching this right now, there's a very high chance you've been thinking about making money online, but you keep running into one problem. You don't know where to start. And even when you try to start, everything feels overwhelming. Too many methods, too many tools, too many people telling you different things. Some say you need skills, some say you need money, some say it takes years. And because of all that, you end up doing nothing. Just watching, scrolling, saving videos, but never actually starting. And I get it, because not too long ago, I was in the exact same position. I kept seeing people talk about making money online using AI. They made it look easy, fast, almost too good to be true. So naturally, I didn't believe it. I thought maybe they were just exaggerating, or maybe they already had experience, or maybe they were just lucky. But one day I decided to stop overthinking, and instead of trying to learn everything, I focus on one simple idea, just one. I ask myself a simple question. What is the easiest way I can use AI to solve a small problem for someone? That question changed everything. Because instead of chasing big, complicated ideas, I started looking for simple opportunities. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Not theory, not hype, just simple, practical ways to use free AI tools to start making money. Even if you're a complete beginner, even if you've never made money online before, even if you feel like you don't have any skills. Because the truth is, you don't need to know everything. You just need to know enough to get started. So let's break it down. The first tool that completely changed how I approach making money online is ChatGPT. Now, most people already know about ChatGPT, but they're using it the wrong way. They use it for random questions or just to play around with it, but they're not using it to actually create value. And that's where the opportunity is, because ChatGPT can write almost anything. Social media posts, captions, product descriptions, emails, scripts, blog articles, even marketing ideas. Now think about this. There are millions of small businesses online right now, and most of them struggle with one thing: content. They don't know what to post. They don't have time, and they don't want to spend a lot of money hiring professionals. That's your entry point. You can use ChatGPT to generate content for them in seconds, something that would normally take hours, and then you package that as a service. Simple. The second tool is Canva, because content alone is not enough anymore. People want visuals, they want designs, they want something that looks clean and professional, and that's where Canva comes in. Now here's the good part. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need creativity, you don't need experience. Everything is already done for you. Templates, layouts, fonts, colors, you just drag, drop, edit, and export. So now, instead of just giving a business text, you're giving them complete posts, content plus design, and instantly your value goes up. That means you can charge more. Now let's take it a step further. The third tool is CapCut. This is where you enter video. And right now, video is one of the most powerful forms of content online. Short videos are everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Businesses need video content, but most of them don't know how to create it. And again, that's your opportunity. With CapCut, you can create simple videos using stock clips, captions, and basic edits. You don't need to be an editor. You don't need expensive software. You just need to keep it simple. Now imagine this. You create short videos for businesses. You help them grow their pages, and they pay you monthly for that. That's how you turn a simple skill into recurring income. The fourth tool is 11 Labs. And this solves a big problem. A lot of people don't want to show their face. A lot of people don't want to use their voice. And that stops them from even trying. But now, you don't have that excuse anymore. With 11 Labs, you can generate realistic voiceovers using AI. So you can create videos, ads, or content without recording anything yourself. This is powerful because now you can scale faster. You can create more content in less time. The fifth tool is Leonardo AI. This is where visuals become even stronger. You can generate images, thumbnails, graphics, all using AI. And this is important because visuals attract attention. Better visuals equals more clicks. More clicks equals more value. And more value equals more money. The sixth tool is Pexels. This is where you get your content, free videos, free images, no copyright issues, no filming needed. Everything is already available. You just download, edit, and use. And finally, Google Docs. Simple, but powerful. This helps you stay organized, write faster, communicate with clients, deliver work professionally. Now here's where everything comes together because tools alone don't make money. Execution does. This is where most people fail. They learn, they watch, they save videos, but they don't act. So here's exactly what you should do. Step 1, pick one service, not 2, not 3, just one. For example, content creation. Use ChatGPT to write. Use Canva to design. Package it together, that's your offer. Step 2, find people who need it. Go to Instagram. Search for small businesses. Look for pages that are inactive or pages with low engagement. Those are your potential clients. Step 3, reach out. Keep it simple. Don't write long messages. Don't overthink it. Just say something like, "Hi, I noticed your page, and I'd love to help you create content that gets more engagement." That's it. Some people will ignore you. Some will say no. That's normal. Don't take it personally, because a few people will say yes. And that's all you need. Your first yes changes everything, because now you have proof. Now you know it works. Now you can improve. Now you can charge more. Now you can scale. And this is where it gets interesting, because once you understand the process, you can repeat it over and over again. You can get more clients. You can increase your prices. You can even outsource the work and turn it into a small business. But it all starts with one step: taking action. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because the truth is, nothing changes if you don't start. And right now, you have access to tools that didn't exist a few years ago. Tools that make things faster, easier, and more accessible. So you have two choices. You can keep watching, keep scrolling, keep waiting, or you could take action. Start small, make mistakes, learn as you go, and build something real. The opportunity is here. The tools are free. The barrier is low. The only thing left is you. So start today. And if you want more real, simple ways to make money using AI, make sure you follow this channel, because this is just the beginning.